breaking every rule for you.
Okay, so I'm coming at you with no lipstick on, so I gotta put on lipstick before I start this video. But this video will be trying on brown lipstick with me. I was going to say brown lip liner is the trend right now, but it's weird to say that it's the trend right now because the only reason why brown lipstick and brown lip liner is a trend right now in 2020 is because it was a trend in 1990. So trends are never really new. Trends are always in a cycle. If I were to say it's 90s and we're in 2020, that's 30 years. So every 30 years, we get what was popular 30 years ago. Look at Harry Styles' new song. He went like 50 years back to use the influences of new wave, 1970s and late 60s. And it's popular right now. So it's weird. And the new trends are never really that new. But this is exciting to me because I've never used brown lipstick. And if you look at any pictures of any female celebrity or influencer, it's all about brown lipstick. So I shaved off my mustache to draw another one. But I love Harry's song. Harry's song is so cool. He's just, I said this before, but he will be able to he has the freedom to release anything he wants, make anything he wants, because he paid his dues in a boy band where he didn't really have say of how he was marketed, how his image was used, how his voice was used. But because of that, he got to gain confidence in performance and in himself, and most importantly, he gained the hearts of every female on earth. So he had to pay his dues, so now he can do whatever he wants. This is Jason Woo's lip liner in Still Luminous. Even when you're depressed and want to die and sad and ugly, you're always still luminous because everyone has the same, we all share the same light that can't be dulled. It could only be covered up by our own sorrows. Maybe that was a message I needed to hear. I'm thinking about the song. If you were a teenager in the 1880s, oh my god, I don't think you would still be alive, but if you're a vampire, maybe you're still alive. But I meant 1980s, you know the song, Eternal Flame by the Bangles. But they reference that concept more of like a love that never dies. Also a love that's much bigger than you can humanly express. I found out about the Bangles because of the hair, obviously. And because I think the first song I heard was Manic Monday. And you know who wrote that song? Prince. So I discovered them through Prince when I was studying and just enjoying what Prince had to say and his message and his expressiveness as a male artist. Okay, my lips are completely different. Which one do I like better?
They don't wanna define it, just give up the game.
I'm not really sure if I'm a fan of the brown lipstick on myself, but I like makeup on film, not really in real life. So I'll be checking back later while I'm editing this, and I'll give you and I'll let you know if I like the brown lipstick. But okay. Okay. So my review on the brown lipstick is that it is okay. Do I feel like every other female in America at the moment? Yes.